people visit your Facebook page, when people visit you on Twitter, when people visit you on Instagram and on Snapchat, what are they seeing? What is the message are they getting? Are they getting the message of the beast or the message of the lamb? That is a question that each of us must ask. It's not about technology. Are we together, Reggie? Let me tell you something. The Bible tells us that this gospel of the kingdom is being preached into all the world. But let me tell you something, brothers and sisters. When the first angel's message was first proclaimed, there was no technology more than a horse carriage. And it went into all the world. William Miller won't have time to tell you, a farmer, 1831, he got the message. And for about 15 years, he kept it because he was afraid. But the Holy Spirit took hold of him and he began to proclaim the message. And with the help of Josiah Lish and Joshua Hines and Charles Fish, this second Advent message went into all the world. Are we together, Bridget? People on every continent preach this message, including some young children in Scandinavia who received the Holy Spirit and stood up in the streets saying, "Fear God and give glory to Him, for the hour of His judgment is come."